center. Initially, we have talked about the template editor. So let's quickly walk through the template editor, and I will show you how the two templates from template editor and plug and play connect together. So the location for template editor is under tools. That can be reached in two phases for straight from the Cisco DNA Center here, tools or tools option to the right. So what we're seeing here are different projects. One is the onboarding configuration, the other is a wide area bonjour and demo. So when we onboarding configuration is really where we configure the day zero templates and these templates are used for plug and play day zero configuration. When we add a template here, we should be able to associate the template to the corresponding devices and types, and the association of these templates is what is going to define which device we are going to claim into the DNA center. So let me quickly do a regular template. And we are pulling in a 9200 device. Software type is mandatory, so which is iOS XE in our case. And so a new day zero template is created. Here I'm going to quickly put in interface loopback 0. So $prompt here is a variable that is going to help me put in the IP addresses dynamically at during the time of claiming the devices. So I'm gonna go ahead and just to keep it simple, I just put in two variables here, but the template can go as long as we want, depending upon or what the day zero configuration should look like. So first we commit and then save. So we have the template created over here. This is an instant demo, so I will not be able to go back to show you what it looks like. But however, there is another project that can be created under template editors called day end templates, which can be pushed out during the provision time, covering up the updates if you want to do any during the time of production. Now the location where we see the plugin, the second important one after the templates are created are the network device credentials that needs to be configured. So these needs to be put in place, which includes the CLI credentials and the SNMP credentials. And the next important one is the network profiles. So we tie up the templates to what are called as network profiles, which are associated to the sites where your devices are located. So we already have one demo ATX configured for the as a network profile, but let me walk you through how to create a network profile. Demo ATX1, add in the devices. We want to be sure that we call in the exact device type to which the template is associated for the network profile. So we have created demo ATX1 template, and I am going to associate that with demo ATX1 profile. This is the one we have created. So we are going to assign this template back to the site. For example, North America, California, San Jose, say. Okay. The next thing is we go ahead and claim the devices. In order to claim the devices under plug and play, I have already a list of devices that can be claimed from the network. These devices can be added either manually wherein the add device is the option. If it's single device, we can do single device. If it's a bulk device, we can download the template from here, fill in the template with the details that include the serial number, product ID, family, all that good stuff, and then upload back the template onto this, which is going to give the third one list of devices here. The third option we have is smart account devices. This is where the PNP Connect comes into picture. If you want to know further details about how PNP connects, there's another ATX that you can go to detailing that. But to be brief about it, if we have PNP Connect associated with the DNS Center, we should be able to DNS Center is going to talk to your smart account portal and pull in the devices that are registered for smart licenses. Um, so right now I already have the devices on my plug and play claiming. So let's go ahead and claim them. So under actions is where claim is, then we associate this to the site, San Jose. Assigning the device to the site. Next, here we have clearly seen the device name, cat9k. So we are not seeing the network profiles here. Reason being that the association of the template that I have created with the network profile, the device association has not gone through fine. So let's go back to check what that is. Device ATX1, demo ATX1. $9,200 switches, yes.
Bhavan, I think one of the things for templates you need to, and you may have mentioned that you need to commit a template before you
Saving it.
can use that. Save it and then commit it. I think.
Yes, I
Maybe.
committed and then it's just rolling here. So
Sure.
that's taken care of. So the mapping did not go through fine. So that's where we are seeing the issue happen. But however, we should be able to see the devices here. Here we do see the template associated. It probably may be still creating the template and when I was trying to pull in the device, but we do see the template associated with the device along with the image that needs to be uploaded because we have marked this as a golden image for 9200 platform devices. Next, um, advanced configuration here is where we put in the variable information on the devices, which include the host name and IP address as an example in the template that we have created. This is an instant demo, so this is not giving us that option to do that. But next, we verify the summary, making sure the assigned site and the configuration looks good, and then we claim. On completing the claiming process, which the states changed from claimed to managed and then to provisioned. So this takes a little bit of time, but this is how we claim the devices from the network for PNP. So back to you, Edward.
Sure. Excellent. Thank you.
Sure.
Okay, great. So we're done with